GravaStar Supernova Bluetooth speaker. This powerhouse delivers an audio experience like no other. A 3-inch full-range speaker and a 0.5-inch high-frequency tweeter working together to create deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. The result? A symphony of sound that brings your favorite tunes to life. But here's the kicker, the Supernova isn't just about volume, it's about quality. Thanks to its DSP acoustics, this speaker adapts to your music, delivering powerful and high-fidelity audio that's both immersive and crystal clear. So, whether you're chilling at home or on the go, the GravaStar Supernova is your ticket to a musical journey that's as dynamic as you are. Magnetic rings. These aren't your average fidget gadgets, they're a whole new level of fun and stress relief. You can perform mind-blowing tricks, spin them like there's no tomorrow, and even stick them to surfaces. It's like having a mini magic show at your fingertips. But here's the kicker, unlike other stress relief toys, magnetic rings aren't just about squeezing or clicking, they turbocharge your imagination and dexterity. Imagine the endless possibilities, play games with friends, create your own magnetic masterpiece, or just let them wash away your stress. Mobility Smacircle S1. The lightest foldable and portable electric bike ever is not just an e-bike, but a stylish commuting statement. It folds into a comma-shaped gadget, making it incredibly compact and easy to carry in your bag. Yes, you heard that right, a full-fledged electric bicycle that fits in your bag. The Smacircle S1 is not just about its unique design, it's a trendsetter in mobility. With its lightweight build, it's perfect for urban adventurers, effortlessly blending style with functionality. Get ready to redefine your commute with the Smacircle S1, where innovation meets portability, making every ride a delight. Grabo Pro-Lifter 20. Your ultimate lifting buddy for countertops, doors, and panels. Whether you're working with glass, wood, ceramic tiles, or metals, this versatile tool has got you covered. Here's the deal, just firmly press the Grabo against the item you want to lift, hit that green button, and voila! The vacuum kicks in, ensuring a secure hold on your precious cargo. What's cool is you can keep the vacuum on while you move your item, giving you that extra safety boost. It's like magic for your lifting needs. So, simplify your projects and make lifting a breeze with the Grabo Pro-Lifter 20. Stinger Dart Gun Launcher. A sleek device that lets you unleash ballistic stainless darts with just a press of a button. Each dart is a solid piece of 440C stainless steel, packing a punch you won't believe. Reloading is a breeze, just pop the darts back in and apply a little pressure on the rear until they lock into place. Safety first, though, the protective collar acts like a guardian, making sure the stinger won't fire unless you pull it down. With 3 extra darts included, this launcher is accurate at 20 feet, but why stop there? It has no problem reaching a whopping 30+ feet. Inmotion V14 Adventure. The trailblazer in electric unicycles. A 16-inch marvel that's not just a ride, but a thrilling journey. What sets it apart? A beastly 4,000 watts motor paired with a top-tier 134 volts controller, fueled by cutting-edge 50 gigabyte cells, yes, an upgrade from the former 50E. This means an electrifying ride awaits you, promising unparalleled capabilities and excitement like never before. So, buckle up for the ride of a lifetime with the Inmotion V14 Adventure. Rokid Max AR Glasses. A sleek device that supports HDCP, ensuring your favorite movies, shows, and games are streamed securely and seamlessly. But here's the game changer. Picture battling your enemies on the big screen, anytime, anywhere, all while experiencing lasting comfort. And get this, Rokid Max glasses play nice with almost any console, delivering a gaming experience like never before. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to a whole new dimension of entertainment. Rokid Max AR Glasses, where every moment becomes an epic adventure. Ortomi Companion Gen 4. Your perfect little buddy. These uncomplicated robotic companions are designed for everyone, from kids to adults. Imagine having a friend that fits right in the palm of your hand. That's Ortomi. Their discreet size makes them ideal for class, work, or the library, and the silent button ensures they won't disrupt your surroundings. These little pals are not just companions, they're versatile and easy to carry around. Ortomi Gen 4, making life a little more delightful, one pocket-sized friend at a time. Zero Pump. The smallest and lightest air pump for ultralight sleeping pads worldwide. I'm talking smaller than a Snickers, weighing only 1.2 ounces and measuring a mere 1.02 by 2.95 inches. That's pocket-sized power right there. Whether you're a backpacking pro or a casual camper, the Zero Pump is a total game changer. Inflating your sleeping pad effortlessly, all while keeping your backpack as light as a feather. It's the ultimate outdoor companion, ensuring a good night's sleep without weighing you down. So, next time you hit the trails, think small, think light, think Zero Pump. Lego Mindstorms Robot. These nifty creations are not just about fun, they're the perfect blend of education and excitement. As kids embark on the journey of building, coding, and playing with remote control model robots, they're not just having a blast, they're gaining essential STEM skills. Robots that shoot missiles, play ball, zoom around, and more. And the best part? You can customize your very own controller, adding a personal touch to your robotic adventures. While you're busy constructing, coding, and playing with your robots, you're not just having a good time, you're exploring, experimenting, and learning. GoChess. Your go-to solution in the world of chess. Whether you're a rookie or a seasoned strategist, finding the right opponent can be a real challenge. But with GoChess, that's a thing of the past. An actual physical chessboard, complete with robotically moving pieces, allowing you to play online with opponents matched to your skill level. It's like having a chess buddy whenever and wherever you want. No more waiting for the right opponent. GoChess brings the game to life in a whole new way. Ready to elevate your chess experience? Check out GoChess and make every move count. Plasmaglass Selfie Frame. A mesmerizing blend of technology and art that'll take your selfie game to a whole new level. A magical electrical storm captured within a plate of glass. That's right, it's like having a slice of lightning in your hands. The Plasmaglass dances back and forth in a whimsical, random pattern, creating an ever-changing display that's as unique as you are. And here's the kicker, you can actually seduce the plasma with your touch, guiding it to flow around your fingertips. It's like painting with electricity. Imagine this cool piece lighting up your room, turning it into a haven of enchantment. Hot air Stirling engine motor. A device that turns heat into mechanical power, and that's exactly what these engines do. They operate by heating and cooling air, causing it to expand and contract, ultimately converting heat energy into useful work. Now, here's the twist, no combustion involved. It's all about the clever dance of air between different temperatures. What makes these engines truly stand out is their simplicity, no need for fancy fuel, just the magic of hot and cold. They're like the eco-friendly superheroes of the engine world.